Hey everybody, Duncan Ward here. Thought I would just give you a quick update on how things are tracking at the project site for Block Solutions Lombok, the factory that's being built here. So starting from the north end, you can see that's where the water pumps are going to be set up. The second section here is where we'll have the MEP and the power rooms, where all the electricity etc. is going to be generated for the factory. You can see there's machinery at play here at the moment. This piece of land over here is where all the raw materials, all the recycled plastic is going to be stored. That recycled plastic will be taken and processed in the main factory by the injection molding machines to produce the blocks. Let's go. And then we're just coming up to the main section of the factory. Right here is where we're going to have, eventually at full capacity, 3 injection molding machines that are going to produce the blocks. And then the blocks will be stored in a side warehouse section over there to be able to distribute to Classroom of Hope and other customers that want to build structures like toilets, homes, schools, etc. And then the final section over here in the background, just over there, you can see the guys. That is where the main administration office is going to be set up, where most of the staff will be from an administration perspective. And that is an update of where we're at with the factory. On the 16th of this month, we have the main steel structures coming in that will be set up. So hopefully by the end of the month, we will have the site looking like a proper factory. But the project is on schedule at the moment, and we are looking at a completion of everything with the machinery coming from overseas and being put into the factory, hopefully by May, June of this year. All right, so I'll give you an update sometime soon. If not, Nicola will give you an update.